An Aimsir Chaite, the past tense. Gúisig mé ar a thugta clog inné. I woke up at 8 o'clock yesterday. Duscail mé mo shúile inné. I opened my eyes yesterday. D'éirigh mé as an labba inné. I got up out of the bed yesterday. Cuir mé méadaí orm inné. I put on my clothes yesterday. Ceangal mé mo bhróga inné. I tied my shoes yesterday. Ní mé maig agus mo lámha inné. I washed my face and my hands yesterday. Trumig mé féin inné. I dried myself yesterday. Cír mé mo ghrúig inné. I combed my hair yesterday. Cúig mé go dtí an kitchen inné. I went to the kitchen yesterday. Hí mé ag an mbord inné. I sat at the table yesterday. D'ith mé mo bhricfeasta inné. I ate my breakfast yesterday. Dóil mé té inné. I drank tea yesterday. D'éist mé leis an radio inné. I listened to the radio yesterday. Fuair mé mo bhála scoile inné. I got my school bag yesterday. D'fhág mé mo theach inné. I left my house yesterday. Ruthig mé ar scoil inné. I cycled to school yesterday. Chric mé an scoil ag an 9 inné. I arrived at school at 9 yesterday. Bhuail mé le mo chairde inné. I met with my friends yesterday. Chúla mé an clog inné. I heard the bell yesterday. Shiúil mé isteach sa rang inné. I walked into the classroom yesterday. Dúirt mé mo fadracha inné. I said my prayers yesterday. Scríobh mé i mo chóplabhar inné. I wrote in my copybook yesterday. Déach mé ar an glár bán inné. I looked at the whiteboard yesterday. Dimmer mé pell ag am lón inné. I played football at lunchtime yesterday. Dill mé ar an rang an sin inné. I returned to the class then yesterday. Thóg mé síos an obair bhaile inné. I took down the homework yesterday. Tháinig mé a bhaile ag a trí inné. I came home at 3 yesterday. Rinne mé mobar bhaile inné. I did my homework yesterday. Cabhraigh mé le m'athair sa gáirdeán inné. I helped my father in the garden yesterday. Rug mé ar mo sleat iascaireacht inné. I grabbed my fishing rod yesterday. Dimig mé ag iascaireacht inné. I went fishing yesterday. Chonaic mé áilleacht an dúlra inné. I saw the beauty of the countryside yesterday. Thug mé bia don bhadra inné. I gave food to the dog yesterday. Déach mé ar an telefís inné. I looked at the television yesterday. Léig mé mo leabhar nua inné. I read my new book yesterday. Bhí mé tuirseach inné. I was tired yesterday. Cuddle mé go sábh inné. I slept soundly yesterday.